To enable or disable voice access on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate all the way down and then enter accessibility. Go for interactions and dexterity, and here you'll be able to activate voice access. Make sure to agree to anything that will pop up if you plan on using it, and then you can activate voice access with the start listening button that will be floating around the screen right here, or turn it off, and that way you'll be able to use it by tapping on the voice access in the notifications bar. There will be icon for it right here. So I will use it with the button on the screen, and then we can allow any permissions that will pop up. Sorry, I didn't allow the one. Let's allow it. Okay, so now let's click on this button and try to go back without touching the screen. Go back. So as you can see, it works fine. We can always pause it by clicking on it in notifications. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.